Hey all, welcome to the Enterprise Excellence 2-Minute Tips. We're talking this time on the origins of Agile, connections to Lean, and the power of flow. So if you look at the backgrounds of both Agile and Lean, they have come through different channels. You know, Agile, Jeff Sutherland, Ken Schwab are very big in IT, Lean out of manufacturing and all from Toyota through. Both tie heavily back to Toyota and works by Taiichi Ohno, and others that flow right the way back to Henry Ford, you name it. Ultimately, there's a key common ground with both of them, that a big part of it is about flow. How do you get work just to flow and not stop, not to defect, not to cause challenges? And how do you get it to flow faster, which is a big part of Agile? Both techniques use a concept called Kanban that has its origins back in Toyota, which is basically a min-max system that initially allows you to create a min-max style concept to get better flow and more focus and less inventory and less overburden. And then you can even up the work at each stage. So in Agile, you have the Kanban when it comes to how you actually get work done with the backlog to do, doing, done, and blocked. So, you know, your project or your tasks or your backlog of work you need to get done that goes through a Kanban. In Lean, that's used in the factory floor. There's such an overlap, but the power of flow is that if you focus on it and really work to achieve that, you create better outcomes for people. People are less stressed, people are in a greater zone, people achieve greater results. But also the product and services that you're making ultimately get through to customers faster. There's less dam walls where that flow stops. There's less chances that breakages and damages and all these things happen. The epitome of it is what's called single piece flow. Now, single piece flow is where you're producing one item, virtually one after each other in single piece. There's no min-max, it's one item. That plays out in Agile with the way that we execute our backlog of work and our Kanban is that we are doing, typically focused on one item, get it done, bring over the next item. So there's a lot of correlations. Flow plays a big part of both, and I hope you gain some value from that. If you're interested in learning more, go to the enterpriseexcellenceacademy.com. There's a great course there on the Agile Lean Foundations that really gives you that overview. There's also greater certifications you can get, and also a community you can get involved with where you'll get that ongoing help and support from our world's experts who have created these concepts and also each other to truly achieve excellence in your organization and create a better future. Hope that helped. Bye for now.